She got something in the next one I would assume, I think.
You got the front of the building there?
Yep.
Yeah, like that. He'll be coming out here shortly. See, it was me and that lady driving out there.
Yeah.
It was just her and I, and then all the other vehicles started coming in.
He ought to be coming out here any second.
Yeah, any second.
When you see that guy get pushed out the vehicle, then you want to hit the flag.
Have you seen this video? Yeah. Boy, he really smacked him a good one. The arms are gonna fall off before.
He's ready though.
It's like watching the pot boil. There it
Ah,
comes.
here it comes.
There he comes.
I'm sure that's him though.
Yeah. That's the guy.
Trying to show up, pick up the side door to hit the flag. Right about now.
Okay, now widen out again. See the whole screen. Watch it. Yes.
Ooh.
I'll watch him. He's gonna pull back up there.
Must be drunk or something.
Now he's gonna back up. I'm glad he didn't hit me again.
Yeah.
Yeah, no one see me, he says.
He
That's
sat there
good.
just, he was thinking about it,
Mm-hmm.
doing the right thing.
You should do the right thing.
Oh, man.
I should do the
That
right thing to stay
sucks.
there. You probably saw moving the truck out all when you hit the vehicle.
I'm surprised he didn't ram into this truck on his way out.
Yeah.
Okay, it's over with now.